Now, when you're first starting out and you have a few subscribers, or maybe you don't have any subscribers at all, it's going to be hard for you to get to that first 100 subscriber mark, as I mentioned in another video. And unfortunately, YouTube doesn't really promote videos that are created by YouTube channels with a few subscribers or that are new. So you're really going to have to do some hustling here. And you can share your videos on social media. That works. But in this video, let me share with you a couple of unorthodox methods of getting subscribers. Method 1 is to leave replies to comments that ask for subscribers. And you may have seen this when you're watching a video and then you also check on the comments, or you're reading the comments below the videos. And sometimes people will ask for other people to subscribe to their channel, and in return they'll return the favor. So what you're going to want to do is reply to 15 to 20 comments every day for 1 month or more. Of course, if time is limited for you, you can reply to only 5 or as many as you can every day, or it doesn't even have to be every day, but just try to do this every once in a while. You're also going to want to leave comments on small channels and ask for sub. And you can also go to subscriber forums. You could do a Google search for subscriber forums, and as you'll see, there are countless sub for sub transactions going on there. Now, method 2 is very unique. One guy got over 200 subscribers on his first day doing this. And what you do is you have to look for massive YouTube channels in your niche. And what you would do is you would subscribe to them and hit their bell button. When you press the bell button, what that does is it'll notify you whenever a new video is released by that YouTube channel. Now, as soon as they upload a new video and you get notified, immediately leave a comment on their video and talk about your upcoming video that's related to that video. Now, you have to leave a comment in the first minute or so that your comment could get to the top of the comment section. Now, the person that got over 200 subscribers doing this method, what he did was he also logged out and signed into his other YouTube accounts and used those to like his original comment, so that the engagement will help put his original comment to the top. Now, when you are leaving a comment, remember to also compliment the YouTube channel first.